We're here with the Mini Bike King of Kansas City, going to visit the Fairfields, the hub of all things fast for go-karts and mini bikes in Kansas City. Come on in. You never know what's going on behind the door of mystery. Here we are. The Mini Bike King has arrived here at the Fairfields. We're taking a video of all this.
Check that trophy. Check that thing out. You guys.
Oh, God.
Isn't that pretty cool?
Yeah. He's the other one with the dual engine one.
Yeah. This is the epicenter of all mini bike and go-kart activity in Kansas City.
So,
This is the old man.
what did y'all
This is Steven.
race them?
How
Y'all have the race?
Not yet.
Oh.
Osmond wants to bring his trike. He's got a 3-wheel trike.
I want to bring my 3-wheel trike.
Yeah, we can do that.
Now look at it, like.
Why don't you just make a lap around and we'll put that in too. That's pretty good.
Like and subscribe to my dad, it'll make him happy.
Huh?
Place is pretty cool.
I had that motor on that 2 seasons. Motor off the Gold bike.
You bought one new one for the dual engine. Well, they were blue.
He took it back. I didn't say nothing. You can put your fist through.
So what do you need?
Some more chain. I bought that bigger sprocket, so I need and if it comes in the whatever length, I'll just buy a whole section of it.
I mean, you just added about 19. I don't know if I've got any.
Whoa.
Yeah. Push it back.
You got some screws holding that?
No, but I've never had to do that before.
Huh?
Huh? You must have been vibrating back.
Yeah.
The problem is,
Because I'm going to be another master.
there's a piece there, but you know, it's been running, it might be not matched up correct. You see what I'm saying? It's 26 bucks, but it's 120 length, but I don't know how long that is. It ain't 5 foot. It ain't 5 foot.
The computer.
The best part about my necklace is I have molds. So if you guys take it away from me, I can go make another one.
Oh, shit.
So I will always be the mini bike king.
Yeah, is that right? Oh, shoot. Yeah, there's a master link in here now.
Okay.
So,
Well, that'll work. I'll just save what's left over.
yeah, just say in case you have, you know.
Yeah, I might need it later.
Being 4 foot, but it's
You gotta buy a whole bunch of that shit to make this
40 inches.
Yeah, that'll be good. And it'll all be about the same age
Yeah,
and all
you
that.
need to. Man, you should have brought your other chain, and we'd took a chain breaker and put it together so you still only have one back.
That's all right.
See what I'm saying?
We can work with that.
So, is any bike working today?
No,
Is it
actually,
ready?
no, we're putting it back together tomorrow. So
Okay.
that's why I thought I'd go ahead and get this so we can make the test runs.
Oh, you're gonna even test run.
I hope so, yeah.
Oh shoot.
Well, we got everything
You are
ready.
close.
So.
Have you had the motor started?
No.
No.
We'll fire it up tomorrow. So.
I ain't had the motor started yet.
This time I'm going to run synthetic oil. I think it might help a little bit too. So.
Yeah, you just want them too tight.
Oh yeah. Well, they clocked me at 57 miles an hour.
Huh?
They clocked me at 57 miles an hour.
They,
It really sounded
let's
good
see,
right before it blew
Did you
up.
buy all your synthetic oil?
I got some, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Some
see-
Dad brought home from work. So.
Okay.
It's mobile.
See, we run synthetic. But straight 5-way. Or straight 0-way. Well, that's so it don't have to go through that thick oil. It don't matter if it's synthetic or not. But this is just like water. That's qualifying oil. You just put that
racing?
for 3 laps.
Oh no, I don't need that.
But then see, then then the regular oil, you can't tell it apart. See how thin it is? That's the oil we race all the time.
Huh.
Huh? So it's real thin, so it don't have to cut through that thick oil. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So that is more than to it than just a synthetic. The synthetic is still going to be better than the other stuff, though.
Yeah.
But see if it's like, make sure, let's put it this way, make sure it ain't no super duper heavyweight.
No, I
You know
think
what I'm
it's 10,
30.
10:30.
Okay, yeah, make sure it ain't no super duper heavyweight, so. So you gonna pay for that?
Yep.
Otherwise we're ready, huh?
Yeah, we get some
28 bucks even.
28.
Yep. Well, yeah, off of the holidays, you ought to get something going, huh?
That's what I'm
If it's nice.
I guess 27.
Okay. I'll tell your dad. I'll say, hey. Oh, shoot.
No, I thought about that. If the weather's halfway decent, we can put out the lights. So. See if we can get everybody together.
So you're going to gear lower and get off the line quicker?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, if we're only going to go 150 feet, I need to.
Yeah.
Be back
Because
down
see,
the
you
weeds,
were going down the road pretty good when you blew that motor up. Yeah, you can't do that shit. You can't do that.
Yeah, it was. I tell you, that's the best it ever ran. I mean, it really sounded good.
Did it?
Ooh, bang.
They always do. They always sound the best when they blow.
So I'm thinking about making a scatter shield because those pieces blew right past my nuts and up into the sky. So
Right?
I was going to just make one for each motor and just bolt them on where the gas tank mounts
Right.
were. Is that a good deal?
Yeah, that ain't gonna hurt nothing.
Okay.
What do you say,
What's
stranger?
happening?
Nothing. What's going on, guys?
I'm just in here making my rounds. So
I like it.
okay, well, either that or I was going to make one big long plate down the frame, but I think I could just put two on.
Yeah.
On each
Don't
motor.
make them too heavy. Don't want to add more weight.
No, it's aluminum. I got aluminum
Oh, okay.
deck plate. That's
Okay.
better than nothing. So
Yeah.
I mean, those pieces were big pieces. That
Yeah.
blew.
Yeah. They come flying through there. They come flying through there.
Yeah. So, okay. Well, I guess our business is finished here. We're going to head on back to the shop to do some more racing.
Is that right? Where's the shop at?
Grandpa's.
Oh, okay. Okay.
All right.
Is he out of bed yet?
Oh yeah, I know he's already been over to the Liars Club at the Hy-Vee, and he's
Oh,
out rolling, so.
okay. He's already been over
Let's see
for
that thing in person.
country breakfast.
Yes.
Oh
that's
man,
him.
no, that's fancy.
Yeah. Pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Someone accused me of having lamp chain from Lowe's on this. This is lamp chain from Home Depot.
Yes, much better, much better.
I was telling Larry the best part about this is I have the mold, so if they take it away from me, I'll just make another
Make
one.
you another one. That's it.
Man, look at this. I'm gunning for this sucker right here. Look, did you get the picture of the
He'll never get it.
You get the picture of this mini bike over here, the one that could possibly take it from me? Look at there. Woohoo! 25 horsepower apiece on those motors. That's 50 horsepower. 50 horsepower mini. Actually, it was.
We've got 30.
I take it away. It was 100 horsepower. I lied. It's 50 apiece, and that's 100. 100 horse.
All right, we're gonna edit our visit and put it on YouTube. So.
Hey man, guys, take
All right,
care.
you
Have a
too.
good Christmas. Have fun.
All right, take
Thank you,
care.
too.
See you later, buddy.
See you, Mike.
Steve, what is my, rock? It's 18 more.
All right, got it.